I will make the fast demonstration because we have another group in coming. Welcome and welcome in Germany to Black Forest Friends. My name is Maya, and I will tell you something about the history of the cuckoo clock and how they start. So we will start with very first one. More than 370 years ago, in 1640, they made this simple clock. As you can see, it's made all of the wood. The gears behind to being for the balance, and there is only one handle, meaning showing only hours, no minutes, no seconds. If you are late, nobody will know that. So good clock for some time. To make it move, we have to pull the stone hanging on the rope every half day. 100 years later, we have a second generation. It's a face-painted clock. During the long winter, they start to be more creative, so they made this clock, and they add metal parts already. 2 weights, pendulum, 2 handle. Now we have minutes, we have to be on time. The first sound was not sound of the bird, it was sound of the bell. 1 time in half, and more time in full hour. 50 years after it, we have a first traditional cuckoo clock who has all elements today. The rules, the carvings, metal parts, and of course our famous bird coming out and saying what time it is. As you can see, the main material is of course the wood. This kind of wood, we call it lime wood.